Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at how you can get completely free advice for a workplace accident. I'll be explaining how you can speak to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny, but I'll also go over a couple of things that you can do to help strengthen your claim. If you've been the victim of an accident at work due to the negligence of your employer, the good news is that you may be able to bring a claim for compensation. Of course, no two accidents are the same, and it's because of this that we believe, regardless of what your mate down the pub thinks, that if you've been involved in a workplace accident, you should reach out to someone that has proper experience in dealing with claims of this nature. Someone like legalexpert.co.uk. We know how stressful a time bringing a claim of this nature can be, so that's why we offer a completely free, no obligation consultation session where we'll talk through what your options are and help you determine what we believe your best course of action is. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can get in touch with us whenever is convenient for you. You can call us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Now, in order to help strengthen your claim, here's a handful of things that you can do. Photographs. Your accident may not have been captured on CCTV, so we highly recommend that you take photographs at the scene of the accident location, and if possible, what it was that specifically caused the accident. Witnesses. If anybody witnessed your accident, make a note of their name and contact details, as a statement may need to be taken from them at a later time. Accident report. Report the accident to your employer and have them enter the details in the workplace's accident report book. Check this over at the time to ensure no vital details have been left out. Expenses. If you incur any expenses because of your accident, keep track of all of these, as they may be able to be claimed back. These can include, but are by no means limited to, travel expenses, medical costs, care costs, the cost of any personal items that were damaged in your accident, along with any loss of earnings or potential future earnings. Medical assessment. You should have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. They'll advise you on how best to deal with your injuries, and this also means that you'll have documented evidence of your injuries. So make a note of when this assessment took place, as this will make it much easier to get hold of these records at a later date. You should bear in mind that your employer cannot dismiss you if you bring a workplace accident claim against them. If they did, you would have grounds for a further claim for unfair dismissal. Now, if you found this video helpful, we really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are accident at work claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.